Good morning children. Today we are going to learn about the 15th bit, that is rearrange the words to make new words. Such words are called anagrams. So you are going to rearrange these words. Isn't it? We used to go write the rearrange, jumbled words you have to make them. But these are the words. When we were small in the previous classes, we used to jumble the words we used to write. But here this is a word. Out of this word, with using the same letters, we are going to make a new word. That is bit number. What is the bit number, children? 15th. So what is the bit number? Please go through the bits and do the revision. Rearrange the words to make new word. Rearrange the words to make new words. Okay? That is, you have to refer textbook page number 47. Page number 47. Textbook page number 47 you have to refer. So, I will be writing here. So, what is this? Rearrange the words to make new words. Textbook page number 47. So, this is about the new words. So, this is garden. Garden. So, it is danger. D-A-N-G-E-R. Danger. With the same letters, we are going to make a new word. That is garden. Okay? We are going to make a new word, garden. Using the same letters, children. Okay? Teased, seated. Teased, seated. S-T-E-A-T-E-D. Seated. Stream, master. Stream, master. Okay? Next one is forest, softer. Okay? Forest, softer. Tender, rented. So, R-E-N-T-E-D, rented. So, learn all these words. Danger, garden, teased, seated. Stream, master, forest, softer. Tender, rented. Next one is collar, recall, collar, recall, hatred, thread, slated, lasted, sorted, stored, lifter, filter. Learn all this for the exam. That is, rearrange the words to make new words. Okay, these are called anagrams. With the same letters, with the same word, with this word, you are going to make a new word. Textbook page number 47. And the next bit is about opposites. Okay, the next bit is about opposites. That is the 16th bit. Write the plural forms of the following words. Pony, ponies. Half, halves. Bee, bees. Mouse, mice. Baby, babies. Lady, ladies. So this is about the plural form. You need not worry, which we have finished earlier. Okay. So please don't consider this. You just read it. Okay. We are going to learn the opposites now. We are going to learn the opposites of the opposites. Okay. There are few sets of opposites words in the story. So all this, only these opposites you are going to learn for the exam. What are these? Curse, boom. Curse is bad blessings. Boom means a very good blessing. Curse, boon. Console, hurt. Giant, little. Giant means very big. Little, small. Okay. Capture, release. Angry, pleased, answer, question. So learn for this opposites. Learn textbook page number 53. Opposites you have to learn textbook page number 53. I'll repeat. Curse, boon. Console, hurt. Giant, little. Capture, release. Angry, pleased. Answer, question. So learn all these opposites for the exam. The next bit is the 7th bit, children. Please mark out the Roman number. 7th bit is the people of Greece are called Greeks, and what are the people of the following countries are called? Australia, Australians. ANS. China, Chinese. The residents, the citizens of people of China are called Chinese. England, English. Finland, Finns. Netherlands, Dutch. Poland, Polish. Turkey, Turkish. Thailand, Thai. Okay? Australia, Australians. China, Chinese. England, English. Finland, Finns. Netherlands, Dutch. Poland, Polish. Turkey, Turkish. Thailand, Thai. Greece, Greeks. India, Indians. Pakistan, Pakistanis. So, these are the people of different countries are called. Okay? This you have to learn for the bit number 7. Learn this textbook page number 64. Learn this bit. Please mark out all the bits which I have given to you in your textbook and practice them in your rough book. Okay? Then the next bit, we will go to page number 65. Okay? Page number 65 is the 8th bit. 18th bit we are going to learn. What is that 18th bit? Choose the suitable prepositions and fill in the blanks. Okay? The train leaves at. When the time is given, you have to use at. At 10 p.m. The baby played in the morning and slept at 1 p.m. See, when the time is given, we always use at there. Mittu was born in. When the year is there, we have to say in. In 2001. On. When the day or days come, you have to use on, children. Yes, when the day comes, we have to use on, and when the time comes, we have to use at. On Tuesday, on September. So you have to use on, and when the day time comes, we have to use at. The post office will remain closed on Sundays. There were heavy rains in the month of August. She has a class from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. So you have to, when the two timings are given, from 9:30 to 4 p.m. This is the timing given. So learn this for the exam. That is textbook page number 65. Learn this for the exam. That is when to use the preposition. I'll make it clear. When the time is given, you have to use at. And when the day and the month is given, you have to use on. When the time gap is given, you have to use from to. Okay? Now, we'll go to the 9th bit. Group of following list of nouns in different genders. Okay? So, this is all about the 19th bit, children. So, what is that 19th bit, children? Okay? Bride is a noun of female gender. Bride, bridegroom. It is about male and female gender. And here there are some words given. You have to write them in the right gender column. How many genders are there? Feminine gender, masculine gender, neuter gender and common gender. Feminine gender, what you have to do? You have to write all the female names. Okay? Masculine gender, you have to write all the male names there. Neuter gender, you have to write all the non-living things there. And the common gender, it comes under neither both boys and girls together. It will be a common gender. So here I will read out all these and I will show you where they have to be written. Neighbor. When the word neighbor comes, he may be boy or a girl. So you have to write this in the common gender. This type of is there. You have to mark it here, Roman number 19th, and you have to write down in the right column. Neighbor you have to write in the common gender because we can't say whether the neighbor is a boy or a girl. Next one is computer. Computer, it is a non-living thing, so you have to write in neuter gender. Actress, feminine. Pencil, neuter. Mock, yes, it is a masculine gender. Cousin, common gender. Waiter is a masculine gender. Player, common gender. Guest, common gender. Wife, feminine gender. Priest, masculine, boy. So it is a masculine gender. Master, masculine gender. Duck, it is feminine gender. Wire, it is neuter gender. There is no life in it. Then nun, it is a feminine gender. So how many genders are there? Feminine gender, masculine gender, neuter gender and common gender. So what you are going to write in this feminine gender? All female names. Masculine gender, all male names. Neuter, non-living things. Common, both boys and girls together. Okay. So just for your clarification, I am telling that. Okay. So these are the 4 genders. You have to learn, practice them, write in your rough book. Do the practice. So Roman number 10. So we have finished today all the bits revision. And we have marked all the Roman numbers in our textbook. Please go through the textbook, read all the bits and practice for your coming exam. Okay, and the last bit is about the question answers. I will be writing the questions and I will be sending the pic so that you can tick in your classworks. Okay, question answers I will write and I will send you the pic. You have to tick in your classworks. All have finished your classworks? All have completed it, right? So all the bits. This is gender, then singular and plural, then what is that? Opposites, prepositions, rearrange the words to make meaningful sentences, yes, and make new word with a given word. Okay, we have practiced all this, isn't it? We have practiced. And what are the people of different countries are called? So practice all this. Is it clear? And some more singular and plural I want to give you children, because many make the mistakes in writing all this singular and plural. So I will give you the some more. Only few are there in that textbook. I will give you some. So what is the first one, children? Whenever we write, I will tell you. Whenever we say, suppose we say this is singular. Okay, this is singular and this is plural. Okay, singular and plural. So as I am holding the mobile, the letters may be up and down. Okay, singular and plural. Is it clear? If it is not clear, I will write once again. Singular and plural. Okay, I will tell you the first one. Bat, one means more than one, we say bats. Now, when we say baby, so what we say for the plural forms? B-A-B, I-E-S we add, children. Okay, when the word ends with Y, we use I-E-S. Family. When we are writing the plurals, we say families. I-E-S we write. Okay. K-N-I-F-E, knife. It ends with what? F-E. So more than one knife, K-N-I-V-E-S, knives we say. Wives also. W-I-F-E, wife. Wives, V-E-S. Life, L-I-F-E. Okay? What is that life? L-I-F-E. So what you have to write? L-I-V-E-S. Lives. Leaves, we will read it. Okay, so learn all this. Okay, learn all this. So 5, these are the 5 more. Don't learn the last one, learn only this. Only these I am just given you for the practice, children. Okay, bat, bats, babies means I-E-S, K and knife, and some more are there where we will write man is there and we will write men. Child, what we write for the plural form? Children. Child, children. Okay. Just for a practice I am given you. You have to copy this in your classwork. It will be useful later. Thank you, children.